Bonjour, annyeonghaseyo, konnichiwa, mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. It's your girl Franz, and this week I have brought you a new video. Today we'll be making 3 new flavors of one of our most famous videos, Frappuccinos, or Frappes, or Frappes, however you like to pronounce it. I will be doing kind of like a summery, fruity flavor. I will be making strawberries and cream, mango, and mint chocolate. Let's get on to making our Frappes. Let's start off with strawberries and cream. The ingredients we will need for the strawberries and cream frappe is strawberries, milk, ice, and whipped cream. Okay, now let's get making our strawberries and cream frappe. Let's go! Okay, so the first step is to add in our ice, and then add in our milk. And now I'm going to add in around 6 to 9 pieces of strawberries. I'm just going to add that for now, and now I am going to whisk it, mix it up, blend it up. Okay, good now. I'm going to add in more ice so that it's kind of more slushy-y, and a bit more icy so that it's more like Frappuccino. But if you like it like this, it's gonna probably just end up being a shape. I'm going to add in ice and some sugar just to sweeten it up a little, but you don't have to if you want. And if you're like vegan or something, you can add in agave nectar, or if you want to be a bit more healthier, you can also add in honey. And now I'm going to blend it all once again. Okay, I have finally finished making our frappe. Now that we are done blending up our frappe, I'm pouring it into a nice cup. Now I'm going to finish and top it off with whipped cream. That looks beautiful. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, now I made this kind of strawberry kind of jammy thing, and I'm going to kind of just like place blobs of it around. Just like spread it around. Yeah, that looks delicious. Just kind of mix it around in there. That looks so good. Oh, wow. Wow. We are done. If you want to know how to make the sauce, just watch out for my next video. Okay, now let's try our strawberry frappuccino. I'm going to stick our straw in and it's so like pleasant to your body, like it just goes into your veins, you know, like it just calms you down. This drink is perfect for any season, fall, winter, spring, summer, you name it, this is perfect for it. It is so good and it is so fresh. Okay, now that I am done making our strawberry frappuccino, I'm going to move on to making our mango frappuccino. The ingredients we will need are mango, ice, milk, and whipped cream. First, pour in all our ice. Then I'm going to do much less than I did earlier. Maybe just like that much. This is around like 1/3 of a cup. And then I'm going to add in our mango. I'm going to use a spoon. I'm not going to use all of it. I might use all of it. The more mango, the merrier, the better. The more mango, the better. And now I'm going to mix this up once again. I'm gonna add around 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, now let's mix it up once again. Okay, we are done making our mango frappe, and I'm going to pour it into a cup. Okay. Then I'm going to place in our whipped cream for the final topping. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did for the strawberry, which is put in some jam. Once again, you can watch it on my YouTube channel, Homemade by Franz. This is overflowing with deliciousness. We are finally done with our mango frappuccino, and I am so excited to try it out. I added a little bit of mint just for like aesthetic reasons. Now I'm just going to try it. Oh. It tastes so tropical, and it reminds me of the beach, just like swimming in the pool. It's just a perfect drink for summer, and it just makes you feel happy, you know, and it reminds you of good memories. It's delicious. Without further ado, let's get on to our very last frappe. The ingredients we will need for the mint chocolate frappe is chocolate, mint, milk, ice, and whipped cream. Okay, so first I'm going to add in our ice again. It's a bit watery, but it's fine. Milk, chocolate. I'm not gonna add all of this because I don't want the chocolate flavor to overpower the mint flavor. And then finally, star of the show, mint. I'm using around 2 branches or whatever it's called of mint and around 1/3 cup of chocolate. You can add more if you want, but I just don't want the chocolate flavor to overpower the mint flavor. That's a lot. Then whippy whip whip. Let's try out a bit first. It's so good! Let's add in a bit more mint, just so that the mint flavor is a bit more vibrant in there. Mint reminds me of like the mojitos, non-alcoholic, from KFC when we used to live in abroad. Those were really good. They were like made out of... I should try to make those in one video. I'm gonna make that one day. This is so good. I remember my mom would always order mint chocolate ice cream from Baskin-Robbins. I used to not like it, but my taste buds has changed a lot more since back then. I like caramel more than chocolate now, and I love mint chocolate. So excited! This is why I saved the best for last. Now I'm going to pour it into my cup. Then, for my favorite part, adding in the whipped cream. For the final touch, we are going to add in and then finish it off with some mint on the top and a bit of chocolate. Why? Because I'm extra. Okay, without further ado, let's taste our mint chocolate frappe. I'm so excited. Okay. That's so wonderful. It's so fresh. The flavor of the mint is so vibrant, and the chocolate is just like a nice little mix in. It's so wonderful, and it's perfect for either a sunny day or a nice little stay in the house. You know, if you just want a nice little treat, it's wonderful. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please comment down below what you think I should make next, and I will try to make it happen. Hit that like button and share my new video to your friends. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified of any new times I post. See you guys later. Bye bye. Don't forget, be positive, share love. Thank you for watching. Luscious Taste, homemade by Franz.